Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix search bar not working on Windows. To get started, press Windows and R and type in this. I'm gonna add this to my description down below. And once you copy paste this, press OK. And here we need to find CTFmoon. Directly go to this search bar and type in CTFmoon. Double press it and go to Send to. Here copy this file to desktop and create a shortcut. Again press Windows and R and type in shell common startup. Once you paste it, press OK. And now drag and drop the shortcut of CTFmoon that we have just added to our desktop. Press continue and restart your desktop, and this should solve the problem. Follow our page if this video was helpful, and we will see you soon in our next upload. Thank you for watching.